Yo, what's going on, Art Adventures? So we are gonna go ahead and give you guys a little update without showing you guys the final products. Try to give you guys a little idea about kind of what we're doing here. So that's our project, and here goes the actual kind of progress of our little studies that we're doing and how we're coming along with picking colors. Obviously these are my 45 second drawings. Look at that face, that's terrible. But there's that. I still got to work on the Hulk, Iron Man, Spider-Man, and finish the Thor. So other than that, man, yeah, we are good to go. I got two of them ready to be colored pretty much. Thor, and then you got Hulk, and I have Spider-Man and Iron Man already filled out on my old picture here that I drew a while ago, so I'm going to use these as my reference, but color wise, so yeah, I know that they're different action poses, but color wise they're going to be the same thing. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get you guys some more updates as we go, but hopefully I can get this finished before Thanksgiving, and that's my goal. I do have Thanksgiving off. We have a retreat coming up with the church, so hopefully it's going to be before Thanksgiving. But yeah, I'll let you guys know as we keep going, and I'll keep you guys posted, keep you guys updated. I'll see you guys later. Peace.